How's it going, man? Just came to talk to you, that's all.
I don't want to talk.
But you're causing an alarm.
I don't care. It's my rights. Don't step up to me. Step up to me.
Step
You need to back up.
You point that finger
You need
in
to
my
back
face.
up.
I can step anywhere I want.
Welcome to the Real Constitutional Upholder.
The real constitutional upholders.
The real constitutional upholder.
The real constitutional upholder.
The real constitutional upholders. That would be us right here. That would be us right here.
Englewood 911, what's the location of your emergency?
It's Broadway in Dartmouth, just going northbound on Broadway. There's a guy dressed in green walking with a AR-15.
Okay. Is he in the middle of the road or is he on the sidewalk?
No, he's on the sidewalk. He's now at the church. I'm not sure the address right here at the church. It's going to be Broadway and Eastman. He's walking north.
Got it. Okay. Is he on the east side of Broadway or west side?
He's on the east side of Broadway.
East side. Okay. Alrighty. Is he threatening anybody with the AR?
Not that I see of. He just he's been walking for a block now and just kind of looking at things and I don't know, just kind of weird, you know?
Yeah. Okay,
you don't see somebody carrying an AR-15.
No, understood. Yeah, absolutely. Is he with anybody?
No, he's by himself. He's dressed in all dark color, black backpack on.
Okay. Is he white, black, or Hispanic?
Looks like he's white.
Okay.
He's wearing a baseball cap.
Okay. And how old does he appear? 20s, 30s, 40s?
He looks like he could be about 6 foot. He could be mid-40s, I guess.
Okay.
Late 30s.
Got it. Okay. Alrighty. When did you originally see him? Did you pick him up around Dartmouth?
I saw him before Dartmouth.
Before Dartmouth. Okay. Alrighty.
Yeah.
So you said he's walking northbound. So is he southbound? Did he start at Dartmouth and then go to Eastman?
Yes.
Okay. So he's southbound then.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Perfect. We'll check the area for him. Have you passed through already, or do you still have eyes on him?
No, I passed through. I was at the 7-Eleven there getting gas, and another car had stopped and circled around, and then I noticed what he was looking at, and I'm like, oh, okay, you know.
Okay. So he's just checking out businesses, or?
Yeah. He's walking northbound right now on the east side of the street. Just past Eastman.
Okay, so he's northbound again, though?
Yeah.
He's northbound. Okay. Alrighty. All right, we'll head over there, see if we can make contact with him. What is your name?
Okay.
Okay. Is a good callback number for you, the number that you had called on? Number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alrighty. Anything about his behavior that stood out to you? Or was he kind of No? Okay. Alrighty.
Yeah, just kind of.
Okay, just strolling down Broadway with an AR.
Yep.
Okay. All right. We'll head over there
Thank
to
you.
see what's going on. Do you want an officer to give you a call back when we're done?
It's fine if they need to. I'm headed to work, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Thanks.
Okay, bye-bye.
Copy. And just to advise, it does look like he was possibly checking out businesses while walking. He's going to be a male wearing green, walking with an AR-15. Approximately 6 foot, 30s to 40s, baseball cap, all dark clothing.
For what cross street did he say?
CORNELL.
Copy.
Yeah, so he's going eastbound on Cornell from Broadway.
Copy. Eastbound Cornell from Broadway.
Hey man, can I talk to you? He's walking still eastbound on the sidewalk. Hey man! He's walking eastbound. Yeah. Hey, can you talk to me? Yeah, well, it looks like he's going to be associated with the vehicle here. Probably going to be our First Amendment auditor. License plate. Adam William Queen Tom Boy 5 or 85. How's it going, man?
Come on.
Just came to talk to you, that's all.
I don't want to talk.
That's fine. People just thought it was suspicious you walking around with the rifle.
I do it all the time. Except my
I
rights,
get
just like you.
I know. That's why I'm doing it too.
You have a good one.
All right. Anything we can help with?
Nope, you have a good one, bro.
All right. I'm free to stay just as you're free to stay and leave.
But I mean, this is kind of annoying, you know?
That's fine.
What's up with you, bro? Why are you like trying to get around me?
I'm just
You're
walking.
It's a bigger issue than it is. You could just leave and it's not a problem.
I'm free to stay just as you're free to stay and leave.
Carry, is
No,
it?
it isn't.
It's not.
We're not taking that away from you, but you're causing
No,
alarm.
I don't care. It's my rights.
Yeah, you do
Should
have
I
your
not
rights.
do it because people are alarmed?
Yes.
No, it's my rights.
No, but you also can be charged with disorderly
Charge me
conduct. I'm not
I dare
going
you, let's
to.
go.
You're
'Cause
just trying
I'm already
to
gonna
push
start a
the
lawsuit
issue.
with you guys for Officer T. Williams that illegally detained me.
Hey, bud, stop.
Am I being detained?
What?
Am I being detained?
At the moment, yes, you are. Okay. Just keep your hands up for me.
All right.
Here, lock your finger.
Okay.
This is a big deal for no reason, man. You're supposed to fight for our right. Come on now. I don't know what this All we're doing is we're just detaining you right now. So you're under arrest. For what? What am I being detained for? What law do I have? As soon as you sign me on this, they're not even filming this.
I'm not detaining. We're not detaining you.
He did though. You can't.
We're not.
You can't charge somebody with disorderly conduct for simply exercising their rights. It's not illegal. You can't do that. You're gonna open yourself up to
Don't
litigation.
tell me what
I'm telling you right now. I just
do.
did. You can't.
Okay.
Okay, it's going to be our First Amendment auditor.
You caused alarm. You caused alarm.
I don't know, just kind of weird, you know?
Yeah.
You don't
Okay,
see
so-
somebody carrying an AR-15.
We got a call on
I
you.
don't
It's not
care.
like
I
we
do not
came
care.
out and looked.
I don't
do
care.
care because I
Okay.
have to come out and talk
Now
to
that
you.
you're talking to me, I'm
Yes.
exercising my rights. Have a good
Yes.
one.
Yeah, see ya.
Simple as
Bye.
that. See you.
Go. See
You can go.
Bye.
I'm exercising my rights all
No,
day.
you're
It's gonna be our
standing
First
in the
Amendment
sidewalk.
auditor.
Because
Pedestrian
he told me to
roadway.
come out.
Stand up
He
on
told
the
me to come
sidewalk,
out.
please. You know the law, so you know you have to be up on the
that's
sidewalk.
perfectly fine.
You're cool. You're fine. See ya.
See ya.
All right.
I don't know what the big deal is. You guys are so
You're-
scared of guns, man.
I'm not scared of guns. I carry one every day.
You're telling me I shouldn't because people
No,
are scared
you
of me doing
should.
it. You said I shouldn't.
You do
Should
have
I
your
not do
rights.
it because people are alarmed?
Yes. No, I did not say
did
you
say,
should.
Don't step up to me.
I
Don't step up
I
to
can
me.
step
You
anywhere
need to
I
back
want
up.
to. You point that finger
You need
in
to
my
back
face.
the up.
No, I don't need to back up.
You do
I'm
need to back
talking
up.
you.
I'm going to take a step back. Do not step towards me.
I have every freedom
What's your
of
name?
right.
What's
My
your
name's
name?
Kevin Sage. What's your
Do you have a
name?
business card?
Yeah, I got a business card. Sure do.
You unprofessional mother. You don't step close to nobody.
I
What's
can
wrong with
step
you, bro?
anywhere I want. Just like
You better
you
watch
can.
yourself.
Just like you can walk
You better
anywhere
watch
you want.
yourself. Don't learn from that idiot.
He's grabbing your business card.
I got that. You can't threaten a citizen with arresting them for disorderly conduct for exercising their rights. I don't know who you guys. That guy work. So are you.
So am I?
Yeah.
Well, all I told you was I'm free to stay just like you're free to stay and leave, man. So I don't know why you go else
You
tell
have
me
this
with.
dude walking up on me and you know that could potentially be a dangerous situation and you're going to allow that to happen?
He's walking by. He walked by in front of you.
You didn't just see what the fuck just happened.
Yeah, he
You're
stepped
that
up to
blind.
you.
How old are you?
He stepped up to you. That's all I
Okay,
saw.
that's not a problem. That's policing to you. That's professional.
How was that a problem? He just wasn't.
That's professional. You're just going to allow that to happen and let something potentially dangerous happen because isn't in head right now?
How was that dangerous? He's talking to you and he just
Let me
walked
step
up to
up to you and see how dangerous you will feel. You see what I'm saying?
I'm gonna just
You
step
don't
a step
do that.
back. That's all it
You
is.
don't do that. I
I'm
don't
just gonna
care what you
take a
say.
step back.
What's your name, bro? You have a card?
Yeah, I do have a card.
Do you have a card?
I do.
Here you go. Here you go.
You back the up?
No, I
Holy
can't.
dude. You don't listen, do you?
I don't
You're
want
gonna
you
get hurt one day from someone.
No, I'm not.
Because you're
No, I'm not.
and you're
sir.
stepping up on the wrong
You keep doing. You keep calling bad names.
You
That's
are.
not very nice.
Get the away
You're
from
not
me.
very nice.
I'm not gonna tell you again.
You're not very nice.
I'm not gonna tell you again.
I can tell you.
That's the
You're
last
not
time I'm
very
gonna
nice.
tell you.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Huh? You can't do anything, and I can't do anything. All we're out here is talking to you because you made us come out.
And said that I could
I'm
be
not
arrested for
threatening you.
disorderly conduct.
You could be.
I didn't talk to a single soul. You stopped me for exercising my rights.
No,
I'm
you're not.
because
I'm
you're stepping
pissed.
up to me.
And you keep pointing your finger in my face. You're disrespecting me.
I'm telling you, bro, this guy's gonna be a fucking problem. I hope you see this.
You're the one stepping
Don't
up and
learn
pointing
from me.
my finger.
Don't make the same mistakes as this fucking guy right here. He's a fucking idiot.
No, I'm not.
He is a. You see him? You see the distance? Professional. You see your dumb.
Yeah,
looking up to me?
because you got a rifle, and if you
What do
swing
you want to
that,
do? Fucking hug me
if
because
you
I got a
swing-
rifle?
No, yeah, it would, because I love that you're carrying.
Whatever, bro.
You have the fucking
yourself.
amendment right.
Fuck yourself.
Yeah, and keep that foul language up, and that is disorderly
I
conduct.
don't shit. Try it. Try it. I'll see.
Bye. How many times do you guys got to deal with this guy?
Every night.
Quite often.
And you know his name?
Uh,
Yeah, we get it. It's not registered.
usually,
That's not, but
No.
he drives it?
yeah. He usually just follows us around and kind of every call goes to, and now he also has a drone that he puts up every now and then every call.
Yeah.
So,
He'll follow us around.
Yeah.
Drive around town after us.
305. Looks like our First Amendment auditor is going to be walking back up and down Broadway carrying a rifle. In case we get any further calls.
At least I got him to move along. Sorry, Noor.